Hey guys, this is John Hunter coming at you this week with a good tip on how to buy a house with little or no money down. I get this question a lot. People come to me and want to get pre-approved, or it's like, hey, I have a good job, I have, good income, but I don't have any money for down payment. I get this a lot. And how do I buy a home with little or more, no money? Or I'd love to buy a home, I'm just not ready because I'm saving a down payment or waiting for money to come from some other source, whether it be family or whatnot. And the reality of it is that there are a ton of programs out there that can help people in that scenario, in that situation. The most popular one here in Washington State is the grant program. We have a Washington State Housing Finance Commission that will do grants, and you don't even have to be a first-time home buyer. Now, it is designed for first-time home buyers, but you don't have to be. You actually can actually own another home and rent it out and use this grant to buy another house zero down. So the way that it works is they will give you a grant very often at zero interest with no payments on it against the house. So you get your first mortgage, say you put 3% down, and then they'll give you a grant for the down payment. You don't make payments on the grant, it just sits there. And then when you go to sell or refinance, that's when you pay it off. And there's no interest and no prepayment penalties on it. And it's basically the requirement is you have to qualify for the loan, pretty straightforward. And then you can get the grant. And then you have to make under $180,000 in most cases. There's some grants that are, if your income's a little bit lower than that, that are even better. There's one in East King County that will lend up to $30,000. There's one in Grant County that will lend up to $60,000. And we're talking something you don't make payments on, and it can help you get in and pay closing costs and pay the down payment. It's just a great way to buy, and not a lot of people know that it's even available. And you qualify just like you'd qualify for any other loan, whether it be FHA or VA or conventional. Those grants would count towards any of those programs. So it's a pretty neat deal. There are some catches to it. You have to live in the house. If you move out, even if you keep the house and rent it, but if you move out, the grant is due. It's only for owner occupied. So there is that catch to it. You have to pay it off if you sell, of course. Refinance, very often you'll be paying it off. So it's a great program. It really helps a lot of people get into homes in this market when prices are going up faster than people can save money for most of the time. So it's a wonderful way. And if you have any questions on, if you know of anybody that wants to buy a house but maybe just doesn't quite have the down payment together, have them give me a call. I can help out and point them in the right direction. Now, if you make more than 180,000 combined, there are other programs. We have other grants that'll do it. They're just not quite as good as the Washington State, but they work. I mean, we do them all the time. So where there's a will, there's a way. We have programs for it. So anyway, it's a great little nugget that not everybody knows is out there, and it's readily available, and we offer it, and it's something that I do regularly. So feel free to give me a call. John Hunter, guaranteed rate, licensed in multiple states. I'd love to help you out with anything finance related. Any other questions? Hopefully you find this useful. And if there's anybody out there that could use it, please pass this information on to them. I would love to help them out and answer any questions you might have. You can reach me 206-856-4685, or contact information is above. You can click on that, and we can chat online or directly. So have a great weekend, and hopefully chat with you soon. Talk to you soon.